Hey everybody, this is Dan Phelps with another episode of Learning to Smoke, and today we're going to be doing some chili queso. But not only just chili queso, it's a copycat recipe of the Chili's queso dip, which I love so much. I remember when I was in college, I lived off of Chili's skillet queso dip. And while I don't go to Chili's much anymore, sorry Chili's people, I still crave that dip from time to time. But it's super easy to make at home, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Not only are we going to make that copycat Chili's queso dip, but we're also going to take it up a notch and add steak bites to it. We're going to reverse sear steak bites. So that means we're going to smoke them and we're going to sear them, and then we're going to throw them into the skillet queso dip. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe and comment. Let me know what kind of recipes you want to see in the future. Now let's go queso. So with this skillet queso recipe with the steak bites, you want to serve it right away. Got some right here, so I want to show you how it is. Now we know that skillet queso is banging enough as it is, but adding some reverse seared steak bites, having a little bit of that smoked flavor to the steak in there, and putting that there in the dip. I mean, the only thing I would probably do, traditional steak bites are about 1 inch cubed. I'd probably cut them a little smaller so that way there's more steak to distribute throughout the dip. But other than that, I think it's, as the French say, awesome. Thanks for tuning in. Hope your days are filled with good times, good friends, and good barbecue. Can I get more of that dip?